Saudara Presiden Joko Widodo dan Menteri Kesehatan Terawan Agus Putranto mengumumkan langsung kasus corona pertama di Indonesia.
Dua warga Indonesia yang positif terinfeksi virus corona disebut telah melakukan kontak dengan warga negara Jepang. Dan warga Jepang ini kini tengah menjalani proses karantina di Malaysia.
Lautan dan Perikanan menilai sektor perdagangan perikanan termasuk yang aman akan dampak pandemi. Salah satu yang menjadi andalan ekspor Indonesia adalah komoditas udang.
During the pandemic as it is now, the demand for the shrimp in the global market is still very high. Reported from several news, Marine and Fisheries Ministry targets Indonesia to grow as the largest shrimp producer in the world by taking the advantage of the high demand for shrimp in the global market during pandemic. By reason of during pandemic, it's difficult to monitor the ponds directly. Therefore, a technology is needed for supporting that shrimp production keep going on, and the farmers shouldn't monitor it directly. Then, what kind of technology that we can prepare for the farmer in Indonesia? Helping the farmers in Indonesia at managing the ponds during a pandemic, farmers don't need to waiting for the end of pandemic to keep on continuing production of shrimp. By using the technology of Internet of Things or IoT, we offer solutions for the farmers in Indonesia, especially in Pasir Sakti, Lampung Timur, to able monitoring and controlling the ponds by IoT and carried out remotely during pandemic. In the block diagrams that's shown, there is 3 groups of blocks: source as the power supply, process as data retrieval and processing, and output as the output of processed data. There are 2 power supplies that we use. PLN electricity is the main power and solar cell as a replacement power when the main power goes out. Sensors which used in this design are 3. There are DS18B20 for temperature measurement, biosensor module for dissolved oxygen level measurement, and pH405 module for pH measurement. The controlled variable through sensor measurement are 2. There are DC motor that affected by dissolved oxygen and heating element that affected by water temperature. The entire of data measurement will be uploaded to the web service by SIM 900 TSM module, and this is the display of the web service. You guys can see. And how it works? First, look at the power supplies. PLN is the main power, and PLN has AC current which will be converted into DC current before connected to equipment. If the power from PLN goes out, the power source will be replaced with the solar cell's power, and it has been accommodated in the battery. After the power is connected to the Arduino, the SIM900 GSM module is checked, whether connected to the internet or not. If it is no, then will be checked again. And if it's yes, it is continued with the measurements by sensor. The first is dissolved oxygen level measurement. If the oxygen levels less than 5 ppm, Arduino will send a signal for DC motor to on. And if it's more than 5 ppm, it will be continued to the next measurement, that is temperature measurement. If the water temperature less than 27 degrees Celsius, then Arduino will send a signal for heating element to on. And if it's more than 27 degrees Celsius, it will be continued to pH measurement. If the pH is not in the range of 7.5 to 8.5, the warning system will be activated, which will be notified via notification of web service. If the pH is in the range, all of data which have been measured by sensors will be sent to the service web's cloud and can be accessed and read by farmers. And the market opportunity of the technology which we offer is especially to help farmers at monitoring and controlling their ponds and maintain the quality of the shrimp inside it.